Your body burns through 9 grams of a single molecule every day. You cannot taste or see it, but without it, survival is impossible. That molecule is NAD+. It is not a static vitamin storing itself in your tissue, and it is not a hormone sending signals. NAD+ is a coenzyme. Inside a cell, a coenzyme is an active physical requirement. It is a catalytic substrate. If NAD+ is not physically present to lock into a piece of cellular machinery, that machinery shuts down. The biological reality of aging is tied directly to the rapid depletion of this highly specific molecular fuel. The strict dependency looks like this. Roughly 500 separate enzymatic reactions in your body cannot occur without ambient NAD+ available to power them. This chart maps the trajectory of that supply over a human lifespan. Between young adulthood and middle age, you lose half of your ambient NAD+. It is a severe 50% mathematical reduction. When the pool shrinks by half, your cells can no longer run all 500 reactions optimally. The biology is forced to triage, prioritizing immediate survival over long-term maintenance. Any intervention attempting to slow macroscopic cellular decay must address the specific mathematical deficit first. This diagram outlines the 4 major biochemical sinks draining your NAD+ pool. The first major consumer is your mitochondria. Every time you eat, your mitochondria physically require NAD+ to shuttle electrons and extract ATP, the energy currency of the cell, from your food. The second major sink is a family of repair mechanisms called PARP enzymes. They are deployed thousands of times a day to find and fix broken strands of DNA. Normal metabolism and background radiation constantly break down your DNA. To keep up with this endless damage, PARP enzymes relentlessly consume ambient NAD+ to execute their repairs. Between mitochondrial energy production and structural DNA repair, maintaining the absolute baseline of human survival consumes a massive, non-negotiable share of your coenzyme pool. The third sink is the sirtuins. These are regulatory enzymes responsible for expressing genes and managing cellular stress responses. Sirtuins run strictly on NAD+. When your systemic levels drop, sirtuin activity drops in direct correlation, leaving your cells less maintained and more vulnerable to stress. The fourth and most critical consumer is an enzyme called CD38. This functions as a heavy tax levied by your immune system. As you get older, your immune system becomes increasingly inflamed. This inflammation triggers a massive spike in CD38 activity, which aggressively drains your remaining NAD+. The 50% drop you experience by middle age is not passive evaporation. It is active exponential consumption by inflamed immune cells rapidly outpacing your body's natural supply. This brings us to NMN. Structurally, NMN is nearly identical to the NAD+ molecule, minus one specific geometric component. Because of this proximity, your body bypasses complex digestion. NMN does not need to be heavily broken down or reassembled from scratch. It requires exactly one chemical step. Inside the cell, a family of catalysts called NMNAT enzymes executes this upgrade. The enzyme takes the NMN precursor, snaps a single adenosine group into place, and the result is fully functional NAD+. The scientific interest in NMN rests entirely on this extreme biochemical efficiency. It provides a direct, low-friction patch to the cellular supply chain. But before that final chemical step can happen, the precursor has to navigate across the lipid barrier of the cell membrane. Mapping this exact transport mechanism is an ongoing mechanical challenge. To see how researchers approach this, we can look at this split-screen model. On the left is the established conversion pathway. Because an intact NMN molecule cannot easily pass the barrier, it temporarily degrades into a smaller NR molecule, crosses the membrane, and recombines into NMN on the inside. On the right is a competing hypothesis from 2019. It proposes that a specialized gateway on the cell surface, called the SLC12A8 transporter, pulls the NMN molecule through entirely intact. If verified, this direct transporter means NMN has a highly efficient, dedicated route into your cells that other precursors lack. Researchers are actively debating which transport mechanism does the heavy lifting, but the biomarker data proves that regardless of the route it takes, the intact molecule reliably reaches its destination. When we move from cellular theory to actual human clinical trials, the standard of proof shifts to measured quantitative blood biomarkers. This graph plots the results of oral supplementation. Across multiple human studies, NMN successfully and persistently elevates NAD+ levels in both whole blood and mononuclear cells. The trials show a clear dose-dependent rule. Higher intakes drive proportionally larger increases in systemic biomarker levels. The safety parameters in these studies are clean. Across doses ranging from 250 milligrams to 1,200 milligrams a day, researchers have found no serious adverse events. However, a critical scientific limitation remains. The longest controlled human studies have run for several months. Multi-year safety data is still actively being compiled. Within the current multi-month testing windows, the mechanical intervention performs exactly as designed, safely elevating the target molecule in human subjects. Elevating a cellular biomarker is a proven fact. Translating that elevation into macroscopic functional outcomes, things you can actually measure in a patient's life, is a separate editorial line. We have seen isolated successes in specific demographics. Human trials have documented targeted improvements, including better insulin sensitivity in pre-diabetic women and increased aerobic capacity in trained adults. This data remains emerging. It is highly specific, and it does not currently support broad claims of universal aging reversal. But here is the proven reality. The biochemical foundation is mathematically sound, and the age-related coenzyme deficit can be reliably repaired. Your biological systems are aggressively competing for a shrinking pool of resources. Patching that supply chain is a necessity before the cellular repair sinks fail entirely under the stress of aging. NMN is not a settled wonder drug. It is the most direct, targeted structural tool science has to reverse the energy crisis inside your cells.